Hey, this is Clinton from the Final Drive again, and I'm going to be walking you through the user control panel of our forums. It can be fairly extensive, so we'll start by going to forums, and from there, you'll want to click on user control panel. And you'll have, by default, it'll pop up overview. You'll have your front page, which is basically your stats, your most active forum, most active topic, manage subscriptions for anything you've subscribed to, which I haven't subscribed to anything, so can't really show you much there. You can also manage your bookmarks. You can manage your drafts, and basically that's drafts of your posts, which I don't have any of it either. It's pretty easy though. Manage attachments, and I don't have any attachments. Click on profile, and this will let you add any like ICQ number. Not many people use that anymore, but any of your messengers. You can add a website. You can see here I have thefinaldrive.com, your location, your occupation, which I'm going to actually update right now. And then your interest, I'll go ahead and update that. And then your birthday. And none of this stuff's required. You put it in at your, what you put it in if you want to. Edit signature. Basically, this is going to basically will be at the bottom of each post. If you want some comment at the bottom of each post, you can put a signature there. Edit avatar, which I'm going to do a walkthrough at the end of this video of how to add an avatar, how to resize it if you need to resize it. Edit account settings. You can change your email address. You can change your password also. And then board preferences. These are just a bunch of just settings for you personally on the board. There's global settings. There's your posting settings, and you guys probably won't have all these options. There's the displays options and also the karma settings, and you basically just have to go through that and look at them because there's a bunch of them. And then private messages, I covered that in the Facebook integration video. There's the user groups, which you guys pretty much won't have to worry about. Friends and foes, you can add foes here. In order to add friends, you'll have to click here on social network, and that'll let you manage your friends. And now it's time for avatars. So let's see, I forget what there it is. For avatars, the minimum is 20 by 20 pixels. The maximum is 100 by 100 pixels. We have a display gallery, which there's only one in there right now, the one I'm using. And then also, if you want, you can get an avatar and link it off-site. You just have to know the URL to that avatar. So I will go ahead and show you what happens when you try to put in an avatar that's too big. As you can see, this is a 1.62 megapixel picture. It's a pretty big picture. I will submit that, and as you can see, whoops, down here, it is uploading, and your uploading speed is pretty much going to be determined by your home internet. And it's loading, so yep, there it is. Avatar file size must be between 0 and 195. So basically, it was almost 8 times too big, plus it was not within the pixel range either. So in order to fix that, and almost all Windows computers, you can easily do it. As far as Mac, I'm not sure offhand, but you want to click on accessories, and then you want to go to Paint, and you want to click here, and you want to open up, and you want to click right, well, this is the image I'm using, but you want to click on whatever image you're using and select open. As you can see, that's a pretty large file. I believe it was on a 7 megapixel camera, and this was one of the heifers we had a couple years ago. And so it's easy to resize. You just click right here on resize and select pixels, and make sure you click maintain aspect ratio, or else your picture will come out looking all funky because it won't maintain the aspect ratio. So on horizontal, since that's the widest, I'll put 100 in, and here you can see vertical 75. It automatically did that for me, and click OK. And then you want to click here again, and you want to save that. You can save it as a JPEG or a PNG. The PNG files are the highest quality, so I'll go ahead and save it as PNG and hit save. And I will go ahead and exit out of that, and I will choose my file again. And let me find it. It is this one right here, 21.4 kilobytes. So I will click open, and I will click submit, and your profile has been updated. So I'll return to the user control panel, and you can see right there that it's been updated. Click back on my main page, and that's the picture it shows. Right now for this Facebook integration, we do not have a way to add any large photos yet. There's supposed to be future support for it though, so we'll get back. Well, I'll let you all know when we get that option. And one more thing, if you want to delete your avatar, hit delete image, and then click submit. And I have no avatar now, which I'll have to add mine back later. But that is it, and hope you enjoyed the video.